What's up, guys? So yeah, this just happened. If you can see here, this is the normal distance, and here I think this is deflated. I don't know why, but let's see if I have any error. Let's see here. Errors, no faults, but my front right wheel, it's deflated, and I don't know if I really have to go and take a drive with my car to see if it will show up here, but doesn't. And as you can see, or you just saw, my tire is deflated. On the e90s, this version that I have, it's without individual sensor for each wheel. So how does the ECU know that my tires are deflated? It's pretty simple. It calculates angle between my front and rear axis, and the ABS sensor, and the auto leveling from my xenon headlights, and that is how it calculates that one of my tires are deflated. So if you have an individual sensor for each tire, as the F10 has, or the newer models, I think the F30 as well, you'll see the tire pressure. This is how you know. When you go into your menu, vehicle information, the vehicle status, and now Flat Tyre Monitor, it says that it's active. You can see here that you have all your wheels on green. So if you have the pressure for each wheel, that is the way that you know if you have an individual sensor for each wheel. So I don't have individual pressure, so my car had the other system. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my compressor out, pump up my wheel, and then I'll show you how to reset this this new tire pressure system. Okay, so first of all, we have to know what pressure we have to put in the wheels. I have maximum 4 persons in the car for R16 wheels, 2.0 in the front, 2.3 in the back. And I have the mud and snow. This is my 91H. Okay, so let's go. Let's see. Let's take out my compressor. Sorry for the focus. Okay, so this is my setup here. And this we're gonna go on the wheels. Okay, so as you can see here, I am nearly to zero. We're gonna bump this up. Okay, so this is pretty handy. If you don't have one of these, they're pretty cheap. You can find it on auto parts or something like that. They have a rubber hose here, and they're pretty good. So it's a handy box, and this, you don't have a lot of space occupied in your trunk. So now we're back in the car. Let's reset the sensors. First of all, you have to start the car, and after that you're gonna want to verify that you are on a flat surface. It's pretty simple. You just go to vehicle information. You have here 4 menus. You're gonna go on confirm tire pressure, Keep in mind that you'll have to have the engine on and be on a flat surface, as it says here. And now hit initialize tire pressure. Hit OK, and status down there says activating. You're gonna wait a little bit, and after all of that is accomplished, it will say Flat Tyre Monitor active, and you're good to go. I have to mention that even though I didn't have my air locked on the iDrive menu, it's really important to reset your tire pressure, because in this way you'll let the car know your new values. In that manner you're not gonna have any errors. Hope this video helps. If so, please leave a thumbs up, and do subscribe to my channel for new videos. Have a happy new year.